My beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today, in this video I will be sharing with you all an amazing hair care remedy that prevents hair fall, thinning of hairs, breakage of hair. If you have dry, damaged, dull and frizzy hairs, then this remedy is for you. This remedy makes silky, shiny and strong hairs within few uses. This remedy cures itchy scalp and prevents dandruff in your hair. Friends, how will you prepare today's remedy and how to apply it? Please watch the full video for this. You can give growth to your hair even without doing any hard work and make your hair soft very quickly. Can make hair silky and shiny as well as can stop hair fall rapidly. If you like this video, then please give a like to video and do not forget to subscribe the channel for such useful remedies. So let's start making today's remedy. Friends, first ingredient for this remedy we will need hibiscus leaves. Hibiscus also called as China rose. Take handful of hibiscus leaves, clean and wash them thoroughly. Hibiscus leaves for hair are an age-old remedy to control bald patches. Since it is loaded with vitamin C and also helps with blood circulation, the leaves stimulate weak and dormant follicles. This in turn helps in regrowing hair and in some cases also recovering from baldness. Hibiscus is loaded with various beneficial ingredients that help to stop hair loss and prevent baldness, loaded with vitamin C, flavonoids, amino acids, mucilage fiber, and antioxidants. The extract of hibiscus leaves and flowers nourishes your hair, promotes hair growth, and provides a soft and silky texture. The next powerful ingredient we add is curry leaves. Here we take handful of curry leaves, wash and clean them. We all know that curry leaves are rich in antioxidants that help in moisturizing the scalp and also remove dead hair follicles. Curry leaves are beneficial for hair as they contain high amounts of beta-carotene and protein, which are beneficial in preventing hair fall and thinning. For grinding we have put hibiscus leaves and curry leaves in a blender. Next most potent ingredient, we take fresh aloe vera leaf, wash and clean the leaf, cut the leaf in small pieces. Aloe vera is a natural conditioner for your hair. It leaves you with shiny, soft hair. Using aloe vera is great if you suffer from issues like itchy scalp and dandruff. A chemical compound called aloe in the plant is a primary factor in promoting hair growth, as found in people with a hair loss condition called alopecia. We transfer the aloe pieces in a clean bowl, and we add aloe vera pieces in a blender for making paste. We got a magical remedy for hair. We transfer the remedy in a clean bowl. We can use this remedy for both men and women for all age groups. This remedy gives you a 100% results. It is easy to make and convenient. Hey friends, write down from which city you're watching my videos. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel. To make this remedy more effective, we are adding one more thing to this remedy, and that is oil. Here we are using mustard oil. You can add any carrier oil like almond oil, coconut oil, olive oil and amla oil also. We can add 1½ spoon of mustard oil in this remedy. Regular use of mustard oil will make your hair soft, shiny and healthy. It is rich in antioxidants and many other nutrients. Mustard oil stimulates rapid hair growth. Mustard oil also acts as a stimulant. It improves blood circulation and helps follicles to regrow hair faster and thicker. Mix all the ingredients well together until all the goodness of oil penetrates in this remedy. How to apply this remedy? First of all, comb your hair and detangle your hair. After that, apply this remedy on your scalp with the help of a brush or a fingertips. Cover all the hairs neatly. Keep this remedy on your hair for half an hour to 45 minutes. After that, wash it off hairs with mild shampoo. For best results, you can apply this remedy for 2 to 3 times in a week. Natural ingredients always gives positive results. Be patient and consistent to all natural remedies. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and share your valuable experience with us in comment section. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to DIY Nature's Glory channel.
Oh my God! Wow!